Gunicorn graceful stopping with Docker Compose. I find that when I use Docker Compose to shut down my Gunicorn 19.7.1 Python application, it always tends to shut down. This is the default maximum time Docker Compose waits before forcefully killing the process, adjusted with the timeout parameter. I assume this means that Gunicorn isn't being gracefully shut down. I can reproduce this with dockercompose.ym. Dockerfile test.py. Then running the app with, and gracefully stopping it with, version. I would prefer to allow Gunicorn to stop gracefully. I think it should be able to based on the signal handlers in base.py. All of the above is also true for updating images using Docker Compose update twice, the second time with a new image to replace the old one. Am I misusing something? What signal does Docker Compose send to stop processes? Shouldn't Gunicorn be using it? Should I be able to restart my application faster than tens?
TL drive. Add exec after cmd in your Docker file. Cmd exec Gunicorn b column 8000 test column app. Details. I had the same issue. When I ran docker exec my _running _Gunicorn pso, I saw something like the one pid is not the Gunicorn master, hence it didn't receive the sigterm signal. With the exec in the Docker file, I now have and it works.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.